Today is a really exciting day. We're starting demolition of half of our house. Excuse the mess, but you guys saw our master kitchen renovation last year and our living room. So now we are doing literally the rest of the house. Except for the kids' rooms, so let me give you a walking tour of what we're doing. It's so exciting. One of my main goals of this project is a massive closet renovation, and we're gonna have a new shoe wall. So let's go on a tour. So most Southern homes have these sitting rooms. So this is our sitting room, which literally nothing happens in here. No sitting, no nothing. It's just our entry walkway through our home. This is going to be our new master bedroom. And the cool part about the master bedroom, you can't really see it now, but it overlooks the lake. So we're going to be able to wake up and see the lake every single day. We're gonna do a massive fireplace from floor to ceiling. And all of these beams are gonna be redone to match the living room with these natural wood beams. This is my office currently, and you guys probably know this space. Imagine me sitting here doing content with the big spine behind me. So this really nothing isn't happening to this room. And the vibes in this room are just totally like vintage. So we're gonna leave this room untouched. Now, this is our bedroom now, and this is going to turn into our master bathroom. Shower here, sink over here, toilet through that wall, massive bathtub right here, and then walking into what is now our master bathroom. This is going to be all gone, and this is going to be my closet. So this is gonna be gutted, this is gonna be gutted, and imagine this entire back wall is all shoes. And this is all gonna be all new closet space for me. And then this is our old closet. So it's going to be Ray's closet. He's gonna have lots of space. Carpet's gonna come up. We're doing hardwood floors in here for this massive his and her closet. We're doing radiant heated floors in here. That's gonna be the bathroom, of course. Shoes. This is my inspo here, except for just one wall. So day one starting tomorrow. It's kind of sad because all of this is empty, but it's also like very, very exciting. It's sad. The whole thing is gonna take like 6 months. So not looking forward to that. And if you're wondering, like, this is my dining room, which is now turned into my closet. So I just have like all kinds of scrubs and stuff into this dining room that we never ever use. So stay tuned for updates as I bring you guys along in this project. I am like just beyond excited. If you're wondering where I'm going to be filming content, it's literally on my kitchen table. I have set up this end for my content. So it's gonna be looking a little different than normal, but that's what we got for the next few months. So, oh yeah, and if you've done a master bedroom, bathroom, closet renovation or anything like that, and you have any like must-haves, please let me know because I'm all ears. I'd appreciate it.